members of the royal families, provincial peers, members of the nobility, members of the Provisional Council, subjects, allies, ladies and gentlemen. I send you my greetings on today's feast of joy. Christmas is a celebration of the light that brings hope to a dark and sad world. With the birth of a child, the world rejoices in its Savior. I hope that remains in us this year. Hope. While the world may seem hopeless at this point, may we remember that we were also in similar situations many times before. We found something that we can put our faith and hope into, and it brought us out of despair. I call upon you all to share that light with your loved ones, colleagues, and friends. Let us also never forget the good memories we shared with them. As we all celebrate this occasion, I also hope for a better future for our nation, ridden by dormancy. As we rise from its depths, we can be truly proud of the unprecedented way we can achieve progress. Let us celebrate this day as one united people. Once again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. May God bless us all, and may He also bless our nation.